gonna do, we are going to using the precision glue gels. There are two end. Is one end is, if you unscrew this, is going to allow you to access into precision brush. Had a lot of extra of the precision glue gel, just in case you are using is some of the crystal or the charm designs had a lot of metals like this. You can able to use that precision brush to access into more precision glue gel, so you can able to seal it and coat it more. However, on this beautiful like dainty designs, I just have a smaller is dragon scales and then a crystal SS, so we're gonna need this little bestie end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little check. It looks really nice and smooth. If you feel any is right here, I feel scratchy, all you need to do is squeeze just that much. Little go a long way. And do the repeat this one too. Cool. And then seal. Just pay attention, I sealed on the top of the metals frame and bead, but I'm not top coated on the crystal, because when you're doing a top coat on crystal, it's gonna taking away from the fastest the cut of it, and then it's not helping. And if you're coating on the top, because it will last long, it is the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat on the foundation. So for this to seal in all the gaps to help it from catching on the hair or the clothes or the fabrics, and then go ahead and keep for 60 seconds. Also, you can repeat this step just in case that you need more than just one set the coating and sealings of the